absolutely nuts to me is, like, I'm on a server on CentOS running Windows 10 virtual, installing programs. It's like it's just nuts. It like boggles my mind almost. So I started to think, well, this would be kind of interesting if we could install the SDR Uno software. We could link this to the radio, like how I have it on my other computer, and also install OBS Studio. We could have where it's able to do a live stream, and basically, with the right access, you'd be able to remotely control the server, which means that you could control the radio, you could control OBS Studio, you could do all of this remotely from anybody with an internet connection that has the permission. Okay, so now I got to hook up the SDR Play. And I have a very limited amount of USBs, so I don't know if this will actually work or not, because it's virtual. Okay. If you have an RSP, connect it and allow the drivers to install complete before using the API. Alright. I honestly don't know if that worked or not, because I don't have sound on here. And I'm also, my resolution is bad. I need to change that. Let me get into here. Control this screen here. Okay, so let me see here. Yeah, I think it's in there based on what I see. So we'll see if we could actually run it. Okay. I don't care about the notes, but I do need to get in here and I need to change my screen resolution. Settings. Let's see here. What can we do? Okay. Maybe even worse. We can't go any smaller than that. All right. There might be a way to like full size this too. I don't know. Okay, so by doing this now we have maybe a more usable environment. All right. I don't want all these screens open. Finish. Okay, so in our virtual machine right here, let's see here. Could not. Let's see if this thing works. No RSPs can be found. Yeah, so it doesn't look like it's going to be that easy to do. So the devices that it detects are these things here, and it won't, most likely won't be able to do that. So I don't know. There's probably a native way to do it without using Windows, but if you do SDR Uno, it won't work. So you got to do SDR Connect. You could do it in Linux. You could have it running natively on the server. But I thought, well, can't I just install Windows and virtually run it and then control the hardware? But because I think it's in a virtual environment, I don't think it sees the USB. So we'd have to find a way to make the physical USB visible virtually in the OS. That's way over my head. The fact that I got this thing to run in the first place is more than I could have hoped for. So, I did try it. Let me see here. So I would also guess that Cura probably won't run. And the reason is because it won't detect our stuff. That's okay. I just wanted to use it as an experiment to see, can I actually do this? This really weird mouse thing happening here. It's pretty crazy.